Hello there. I trust you've had the most amazing start to 2024, making time to reflect on 2023, celebrating all that's great in your life. Just wanted to create a short video and wanted to share with you an important announcement, something we're excited to bring to you. As you know, EQ Strategist was founded with a mission to create workplace culture that inspires the natural best out of people. Our original goal was to touch at least 1 million lives before our time's up with our work, and that has become a very, very key milestone for us. In 2024, one of the things we'll be introducing will be a series of online leadership development workshops. It's something that we're excited to bring to you. You know, COVID was a challenging time for each and every one of us, and yet at EQ Strategies, it was a time of great inspiration, growth, and flourishing. Pivoting into the online world, as many of you would have done, it's enabled us to touch lives from people from all walks of life from all parts of the world. So this year, we're going to grow on that ability to influence and your ability to be able to benefit from this as a leader, yourself or your team, or even your family or friends. You know, very often when we run our workshops, and 99% of our work is actually in-house in clients' premises for their people, tailored to their environment. Very often we get clients saying to us, well, are you, Dom and team, are you running public workshops so that I can send my colleagues and my friends along to attend one of your workshops as well? And in the past, we've not really prioritized this, but this year, again, as part of our mission to be great models of the growth mindset and wanting to touch even more lives, and through a proven platform like Zoom, we will be bringing a series of workshops for you. In total, a series of 4 workshops are run twice in the course of the year. It will be a leadership development program. Some of you may choose to attend it as a year-long program, or some of you may choose to cherry pick one or two that resonates most with you, that will support your development aspirations for 2024. You can expect full-day workshops, but run over 2 half days. Right, 2 half days. So 4 levels of programs. 1, which is leading an organization and its culture. Number 2 is leading a team through high EQ leadership and transformational leadership principles. And thirdly, being able to lead and influence others with or without positional authority. And most importantly, leading from within as a highly adaptable, resilient, optimistic leader with a growth mindset. I trust that you will keep in touch with our website for further announcements on this. As you know, at EQ Strategies, we do not view growth in a very traditional sense of top line or bottom line growth. You know, money has never been our primary motivator. And but however, you know, when we do come across world-class, amazing facilitators like Andrew Davey and Jack Rankin and Dale White, each of whom are successful business builders themselves, and people who lead with tremendous competence and with tremendous heart, it would be inauthentic for us not to bring them into your literally living rooms or offices, so that they can empower you to be the very finest leader you can be. And so over the course of the year, you will be able to journey with each and every one of us. We look forward to being your development partner this year, and wishing you the most amazing start to 2024 and the ability to journey with you. You rock. Thank you.